Listen up. If you're thinking that the extra income odds are not in your favor because you don't have a big audience, you don't know how to navigate social media all that well, or you just don't know where to start, stick around because this video is for you. Hey friend, my name is Quinn, and I'm on a mission to help women in midlife create more freedom, ownership, and opportunity for themselves by turning their existing experience into new income streams. And speaking of new money, I want to share a fact with you that not a lot of women in midlife really think about. You don't have to start a business from scratch to start earning from what you already know. You don't even have to build a big audience. You can just borrow somebody else's. There are entire communities, memberships, and online platforms that will pay you to show up, teach what you know, and pour into their audience. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 real places where you can get paid to teach what you already know. No massive following, no fancy funnel, no expensive setup required. If you've ever said, I'd love to make more money, but I don't even know where to start, this episode is for you. So let's get into it. Before we jump into the list, let's get one thing straight. Teaching what you know is not about being a guru. It's about being generous with your experience. See, most of us were raised to work for the money, not create it. We were taught to wait for permission, for promotions, for someone else to recognize our value. But once you realize that your knowledge is your value, your whole entire world opens up. You've led teams, you've solved problems, you've built systems. That's intellectual capital, and people will pay big money for it. So if you've ever doubted that what you know is worth something, I'm here to tell you it absolutely is. You just have to know where and with whom to share it. The first place we're going to talk about is paid learning communities like schools, Circle, and Mighty Networks. These are online spaces where creators and coaches build memberships around a specific topic like business, health, mindset, leadership, and even midlife reinvention. And people pay monthly to be part of it. Now, here's a secret that most people don't realize. To keep those paying members, the community owner needs fresh, valuable content every month because if members aren't learning or engaging, they're out of there. And they take those monthly subscription fees with them. And that's where you come in. You can offer to lead a guest workshop, masterclass, or Q&A session inside someone else's community. You bring the expertise, they bring the audience. And yes, you can get paid for it. Sometimes as much as $100, sometimes more, depending on the group and your topic. Even if you start free, friend, you're building exposure to hundreds of potential buyers who already value learning. So, as an example, if you're great at organizing digital files, you could teach how to build a simple content system in Google Drive. Or if you're in HR or leadership, you could teach how to give feedback without losing connection. Every community owner needs experts who make their members' experience better. So start by making a list of 5 to 10 communities aligned with your expertise. Reach out to the host and say something like this. Hey, name, I love what you're building. I teach whatever your topic is and thought your members might benefit from a short session on your specific angle. Would you be open to guest training or collaboration? See? Simple, respectful, professional, and that's how you get started. The second place you can get paid to teach what you know is through speaker networks and marketplaces. Websites like Eventbrite or Meetup.com. Search for events in your city or for individuals who share similar interests with you. Use search terms like call for speakers or speakers needed. Sites like FemCity and Speaker Hub were literally created to help event organizers find speakers and help speakers get found. You can create a free profile, list your topics, upload a short video of your teaching, and start getting booked for virtual or in person events. So here's the key. Event organizers are not looking for perfection. They're looking for your perspective, your point of view. They want relatable experts with lived experience, not overly polished corporate presenters. So start small. Think your local chambers, women's organizations, professional associations. You can even start with your county government. Public libraries are always hosting events for local residents. So be proactive by reaching out and offering your expertise. Topics in health, wealth, and relationships are always in high demand. These opportunities open doors. So every talk you give is another chance for someone to say, I want to hire her. So remember, you're not just teaching, you're marketing your expertise in real time. Next up, knowledge platforms like Skillshare, Thinkific, and Maven.com. These platforms allow you to upload short, topic specific courses and get paid per student or enrollment. It's one of the easiest ways to turn your know how into passive income. You don't need to create a full curriculum, you just need a clear result. For example, how to use Canva to create branded social posts, or 3 steps to managing stress as a working mom. How about how to write an effective about page? You get the point. Keep it simple, clear, and valuable. A 20-minute mini course can earn you recurring royalties for years. So here's a pro tip. If you already have a presentation or a workshop that you've done before, record it, clean it up, and upload it. You don't need to start from zero. Number 4 is private memberships and groups. These are smaller niche communities. Maybe it's a women's business group, a co-working space, or even a corporate employee resource group, better known as an ERG. These organizations are always looking for speakers to pour into their members or employees, and some of them pay pretty well, often $250 or more for a single 45-minute workshop. Topics like leadership, communication, personal development, and work life balance are always in demand. So if you're thinking, hey, Quinn, how would I even find these groups? Well, let me tell you. Start local. Search Women's Business Network near me, or co working spaces and workshops, or corporate women's initiatives. Then email or DM the organizer and introduce yourself. Here's an example of what you can say. Hi, whoever the person is. I'm a coach or an expert, whatever you want to characterize yourself as, who helps women in midlife build confidence and clarity around their next career or business move. I'd love to offer a workshop for your members on your specific topic. Do you accept guest facilitators or paid speakers? You would be surprised how many say yes, not because you're famous, but because you are relevant. And finally, number 5, virtual summits and online events. This is one of my favorite income streams because it gives you both visibility and credibility. And here's how it works. There are online summits happening every month on every topic you can imagine, from entrepreneurship to personal finance to faith based growth. These events often bring together 10 to 20 speakers, and each one teaches a short, actionable session. Some are paid speaking gigs, others are free but offer an affiliate commission or lead generation. Either way, you win. When you speak at a summit, your session can reach hundreds or even thousands of people who might have never found you otherwise. So it's a great way to grow your audience while getting paid or promoted. And here's a bonus tip for you: keep your session evergreen. Ask for the replays so you can repurpose it later for your website, your email list, or your own mini course. Let's recap the 5 places that you can get paid to teach what you know. There's paid learning communities like School, Circle, and Mighty Networks. Then there are speaker networks and marketplaces like Eventbrite, Meetup.com, Speaker Hub, and FemCity. There's knowledge platforms like Skillshare, Maven.com, and Thinkific, and private memberships and groups like co-working spaces, women's networks, and corporate ERGs. And finally, virtual summits and events where collaborations are available to help you expand your reach as well as your revenue. Listen, you do not need to start from scratch. You just need to start showing up where your expertise is already needed. The internet does not have a shortage of content, but what it does have is a shortage of credibility. And that's where women in midlife have the advantage. You've lived it, you've led it, you've learned it, and now it's time to leverage it. If this video helped you see your experience in a new light, I want you to take one small step this week. Pick one of the 5 places that I mentioned and reach out. Send the DM, fill out the application, introduce yourself to a community owner or event host, because you're not waiting for opportunities, you're creating them. And if you want my free pitch template to help you land your first paid workshop, I'll drop the link below in the description, and it's all yours for free. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, remember, your next income stream doesn't start with a new skill. It starts with a new perspective on what you already know. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.